Hi friends, today's story is called Truck Full of Ducks by Ross Barack. Thanks for calling Truck Full of Ducks. We'll be right there. Munch, munch, munch. Oh no, the directions. Don't worry, ducks. We'll find the customer. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? No, not me. I called for a mail truck. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? Duck truck? Not me, buddy. I called for a dump truck. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? No, dude, not us. We called for an ice cream truck. Who called for a truck full of ducks? Did you call for a truck full of ducks? Arr, it wasn't me, matey. I called for a truck full of crackers, not quackers. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? Sorry, Earthling, I called for a tow truck. 30,000 light years away, huh? This is gonna cost ya. Who called for a truck full of ducks? You're in luck. Last potty for miles. Hurry up, ducks. Back in the truck. The clock is ticking. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? Hey, Walter. No more ducks. I called for a duck removal truck. Did anyone call for a truck full of ducks? Did you say truck full of ducks? That was me. Over here. Caution, one scary way. Dead end. No Wi-Fi. Okay, ducks, out of the truck. See, I told you not to worry. Perfect timing. My dinner is over. Time for my bath. Bath time gig, Stan? You know it, Frank. Thanks for calling, Truck Full of Ducks. We'll be right there. Bath time's always more fun with duckies. H. Fox, actual customer. Call now. 555 Duckies. Truck Full of Ducks. The end. I hope you enjoyed today's story. See you next time. Bye.